What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle, and I am excited today because I am going to be showing you how I did my nails. Let's see if it'll focus. These are like salon nails at home for a lot cheaper. But I just wanted to get on here and show you guys. This is the kit that I got off of Amazon. Not sure the price. I want to say it was around $35, but I will have everything linked in the description box for you guys so you can go on Amazon and check it out. And this is the polish kit that I used. This is also by Beetles, the same company. Now, I had ordered this a while ago, so I really cannot remember the price. But it comes with a bunch of different polishes. It comes with a top it off matte. So this will make your fingernails look matte. This is your base or your foundation, and then this is your top coat or your clear shiny top coat. And then also, it has a ton of different colors in here, and I mean they're all different. But the color that I have on my nails is 804. I don't know if you can see that. It's such a light pink. But it's just a really baby pink, as you can see, so I thought that would be cute for a Valentine's Day coming up. But like I said, I've had this kit for quite a while, and I actually have a light that I got off of Amazon as well. I got these two at the same time. This nail kit is only the second time I've used it, but the first time I used it, my nails lasted for over 2 weeks. I never had a problem with them like popping off or lifting or getting caught in my hair or anything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe and support my channel. It would mean so much to me. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you this kit that I got. I got this off of Amazon. This is the Beetles nail tips and glue set. Now, in this box, you get 10 different nail tips, and this is the coffin shaped, but as you can see, I already have one hand done, and I cut them back quite a bit because they are so long, and I like to have mine to be a little more square anyway. You also get this light that comes in here, and I like that it has that little like clamp look to it because it's so much easier to like get your nail in there. And then it comes, of course, with the glue. This is the glue that you get. Now, it didn't come with a nail dehydrator or a nail primer, which I do have from other kits that I have already. So I just went ahead and used that. Now, I've done like acrylic nails, or I've done dip it nails, but I've never done these until like 2 weeks ago because I was like, yeah, right, it is not gonna work. But I'm telling y'all, it lasted for a little over 2 weeks. And to get them off, all I did was I took a file and I knocked the like clear coat off of the paint, because of course you're gonna paint these after you get done. And then I soaked my fingers in a bowl of fingernail polish remover and just kept taking an old file and like scraping it off. But if you guys want to see a video of me doing that, I can do that as well for you guys. All I do is I've already got the nail dehydrator and the primer on my nails. So you're going to take the nail glue and you're going to paint the glue onto your nail. And then you're going to paint the glue on the back of here. Now, not a whole lot, just enough to coat it. Nothing crazy, but just enough to get the inside of it coated. Here is the first tip. Always start your light, because this is not stick your hand in here and come on. It's like touch. You have to like touch it. So if you're trying to touch it and keep your nail straight, it didn't work out for me last time. So tip, go ahead and get your light started first. And then we're just going to lay it close to your cuticle, but not really on your cuticle. And then lean it forward, and you're going to see all the air bubbles go out of it. make sure that you have it straight before you get it anywhere close to the light, because as soon as you stick it under the light right here, it's going to set, and then you can let it go. Once you hold it there for a second, you can let it go. And that is all you do. You let it finish curing underneath of the light. Like, isn't that so easy to actually get nails? I think that is so easy. Okay, and we're just going to repeat the process for every nail. I'm going to coat a little bit of the glue on my actual nail. They look all jacked up. Oh my gosh, I love nails though. I have been getting my nails done forever. My husband's like, what is the obsession with fingernails? I'm like, I don't know, but I just got to have my fingernails. So we're going to start the light. Oh my gosh, the last time I was doing this, I was like, oh my God, I kept forgetting to start the light. Like, why do you keep doing that? And then you're going to stick it under here and hold it for a second. And then you can let go because it's stuck good enough to where you don't have to hold it. And then you just let it finish curing underneath of the light. So start your light and then place it down just like so. Make sure that it is straight before you stick it under here, because like I said, there's no going back once you stick it under the light. Then you have to do the whole soaking and all that process. So make sure you have it set where you want it before you stick it under the light. So same thing, paint my nail, paint it on here, get your light going. Press it down and then stick it under, hold it for a second, and then you can let go. Just like keep repeating myself. But they're so easy. Like, this is so easy to do, you guys. It's insane how easy this is. Like, I wish I would have discovered these a while ago. Okay, and then to cut these nails, I'm just going to use a pair of nail clippers, and you just slide it in and you cut them back to wherever you would prefer them to be. I love these nail clippers. They work so good. Okay, so I just went ahead and I took my drill here and I just knocked the shine off, and I'm just going to take a sanding block and run over it. Now, you don't have to run over it and knock the shine off or anything if you don't want to, or if you want to take the shine off and you don't have an actual drill, you can use one of these just to knock that clear off. I just feel like it helps it hear the polish better. I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's why I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this hand. I'm going to get it to look like this, and then we'll come back and paint them really quick and we will be done with our nails. So I am just going to paint all of my nails. Of course, I'm going to start off with the base first, and then I'm going to go in with this pink. I have a few stickers and things I might add to my nails. We will see though. I did the little thing here, but my camera wasn't recording, so I will show you on this hand when I get to it what I did to get that little heart on there. So I'm just going to take a toothpick and peel this little glove off of here, and I'm just going to stick it kind of in the middle, going across like that. So that way we have a little heart and a little love sticker. I like that. I think that's cute. And I think that's all I'm gonna do for my nails this go. I think that looks nice. So of course I'm going to take my Top It Off, which is from Beetles as well. and just put on my clear coat. Okay, so I got my other hand painted, and I'm just going to show you what I did to put this little heart on. I already have it on my other side. So I actually have this like rhinestone glue gel, and I just put it on a little, it's very like super sticky. I just put it on this little thing and just kind of rub it around on the nail a little bit. It's very thick. And then I will just kind of, ooh. This heart is bent a little bit, so that way it'll kind of curve to your fingernail. I'm going to take a little bit of this glue and kind of run it around the edges of the heart. So that way it's kind of down. It's glued in place. The heart isn't going anywhere. But I have to do this with my stuff, or if not, it gets hung up in my hair. And then you just dry it. And then we're just going to top it off with our clear coat, and we will be all done. Okay, you guys, so I got my nails all clear coated and everything. This is the completed look. I mean, these are like salon nails at home. And I'm just going to take my cuticle oil. This is my favorite cuticle oil to use. It smells like so good. I will even add this cuticle oil to my lotion if I'm super dry, or I will even add it directly onto my elbows or anything if they're super dry. And then I just rub it in. Hopefully this video turns out good for you guys. I've never filmed my nails before, so it is a bit different. Hopefully I get everything in here for you guys. So if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up so that way I can do some more for you. And then I just kind of rub it in, and then later on I will go in and wash my hands and everything. But I think that they turned out so nice. I love them. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.